He spent 30 years killing and 30 years getting away with it. BTK was methodical, patient, invisible. But he had one weakness. He needed people to know it was him. So he sent letters, taunted police, contacted media. Then in 2004, he actually wrote to investigators, asking if a floppy disk could be traced. Police responded publicly. They said no. He sent the disk. The metadata led straight to a church in Wichita, and the congregation president listed on the file, Dennis Rader. BTK had caught himself.